its nuclear and missile development programs.
Beijing has test-fired a non-nuclear hydrogen bomb.
The nuclear arms race is picking up speed. China is equipping itself with more nuclear missiles. A new report has emerged that talks about an assessment by the
Belarusian leader Alexander Lukashenko says Russia has deployed its latest capable missiles to Belarus.
If Britain were under imminent threat from nuclear weapons, how would you react?
Russia has test-fired a nuclear-powered missile that has been likened to a tiny flying Chernobyl.
Kung may 72 minutes ka na lang para mabuhay, ano sa tingin mo ang gagawin mo? Dahil sa loob ng 72 minutes, at ang mundo na kilala natin ay mawawala. Daan-daang milyong tao ang mamamatay. Ang mga lungsod ay mauubos sa init at radiation. Ang sibilisasyon ay matatapos sa isang maling desisyon. Ang mga leader ay may ilang minuto lang para magdesisyon. At sa bawat segundo, ang orasan ng sangkatauhan ay tahimik na bumibilang. Kapag nagkamali, wala nang balikan.